Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So if you're running YouTube or using YouTube as an inspiration for other content pieces, this is the video for you, because one of the biggest hurdles is the writer's block. We all burn out, we all strive for new and exciting ideas, and what better way to get those new ideas but to spy on your competition. So there is a Chrome plugin that I've created called WordsAtScale YouTube Spy, I think. So this one here, but this is a fully working version that you can try right now. So you go to your favorite YouTube creator, like WordsAtScale, for example. You go to the videos tab. This only works with the videos tab. And then you get this window here, which is the first 28 titles. Not only that, you get the median value of the amount of views that the creator got. So my median now around 2,000 views. So you get the first 28 videos together with views. And if you scroll down, for example, like so, you'll get additional videos and you can copy this information. So let me copy this information here. And obviously you can feed, and you should feed this into your LLM of choice. And you might notice that some of the videos labeled highlighted. So highlighted here, highlighted here, highlighted here. This corresponds to this visual aid that looks at your median value and highlights the videos that are at least 30% higher views than the median value. Yes, this is a simplistic approach, and in my next update, this does well. I can have different settings like 10%, 5%, 30%, but for now, it looks at the creator's median value. So my median value is 2,000 views, and then highlights all the videos that did really well. So this video here, 4.7K, 5K, 3.3K, 4.6K, 3.7K, so on and so forth. And this works with other creators as well, like Julian Goldie, an amazing channel, great guy. So you can see that some of his videos did really well. And another amazing channel, Income Stream Surfers. You go to videos, they're highlighted. And if this plugin at any time freezes, like here, for example, you can see that the yellow 8 is working, but you don't see the tab. You just go refresh. And in the tab will appear, as you can see, for the income stream service, the median value is more than twice higher than mine, so over 4,000 views on average. Again, first 28 videos, if you go down, this will go to 60, and I haven't actually tested the limit, to 88. Goes on and on and on. Let me now show you 3 different use cases for this. So let me use my channel, copy to clipboard, then I'll go once again to income stream surfers. Okay, first 28 videos. So it only works with the videos tab. Let me copy this here. Now I'll go to the Julian Goldie's channel, because he's an amazing creator. And he is averaging 3,700 views. Okay, copy the clipboard. Now you copy everything here. You go to ChatGPT, and these prompts will be in my free ChatGPT custom library that you can get for free following the link below. This is going to be roll for 64. So you paste it here, the whole content I mean. And now you have 3 different use cases. And they all start off the same, but they give you slightly different results. You're a viral YouTube video expert and analyst tasked with looking at the data and analyzing patterns. What makes videos perform well. You look at the video statistics below, focus only on the ones that are highlighted, so the ones that did really well, and give the following recommendations. What titles perform best and why? What topic ideas perform best and why? Generate 5 next viral video topics and suggest titles. Do not rush, think this through, step by step, present the findings in a table format. So let's see what happens. Analysis and recommendations on viral YouTube video performance, what titles perform best and why, sensational claims, comparative analysis, explicit benefits, urgency and exclusivity, unique methods and tools, and this gives you examples as well. Why topic ideas perform best and why, emerging technologies and tools, practical SEO and applications, and now it's going to generate me 5 next viral video topics, how I created 1,000 SEO articles in 1 week, Top 5 SEO tools battle, which one rules 2024, new Google update crushes old SEO tactics, secret AI hacks to triple your website traffic in 30 days, I like that. Exclusive first look, new AI tool that will revolutionize SEO in 2024. All very solid suggestions. So next prompt is going to be slightly different. So the first prompt kind of gave you the nitty-gritty of why something works and why something doesn't. And this will generate 20 completely new viral video ideas. And this will give you complete YouTube titles as well. AI SEO works, Claude 4 versus ChatGPT 5. I will be sure to record that one when ChatGPT 5 gets out. The ultimate perplexity AI SEO hack, 1 click to 1000 traffic, uncovering Google hidden algorithm. This free AI SEO tool will make you number 1 on Google. So I like these suggestions. These are suggestions rooted in what is currently working for your competitors, myself included. And yeah, how I made 1,000 per day with AI SEO, my secrets revealed. Create 50,000 blogs in 1 month. This is a big shout out to Julian Goldie, I guess. Now the third use case. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to give me prompts to create a custom GPT for me. So in the future, I want to have a custom GPT that I feed these titles here that will perform multiple tasks for me, namely create unique titles. And this is how I would approach this. GPT prompt for generating viral video titles, instructions, generate compelling and attention-grabbing video titles for YouTube. Based on the following video idea descriptions, use patterns and elements from successful video titles, such as urgency, controversy, direct questions, promises. Use words like shocking, huge, unbelievable. Mention specific tools like Perplexity, Claude. Promise significant outcomes. Example titles for reference. So this is huge. This is amazing. So I would just copy this over. I would create a new custom GPT. I would name it SEO/AI video title creator. So I know which niche this corresponds to. And yeah, I can use it for my own purposes. I can resell it. I can suggest it as a service. This is all based on my little Chrome plugin that took me a day to create. It was a lot of back and forth with Claude 3.5, but I made it work. So I hope this video was helpful. Go check out the free prompts. Also, the link to the actual Chrome plugin is going to be in the description. I would appreciate if you leave a good review. Once again, if something doesn't work, just refresh the page. This plugin only works with the videos tab. So if you go to the creator and then videos, this will work. It won't work with other tabs. Okay, that's it. Cheers.